tax is the money collected by the government from citizens and companies. This money is used by the government to provide various public services. For example, the money is used to maintain schools, hospitals, build roads, and provide security. To fund these services, the government collects money from its citizens. There are different types of taxes. One of them is income tax. If you work, a portion of the money you earn is deducted as tax. This means that part of your salary is automatically paid to the government. The income tax depends on how much you earn. The more you earn, the higher the tax you pay. Another type of tax is value-added tax, VAT. VAT is hidden in the price of the products or services you buy. For example, when you buy chocolate, a portion of the price goes to the government as VAT. This tax can be applied to almost everything you purchase. Motor vehicle tax is another important tax. If you own a car, you are required to pay an annual tax, which depends on the car's age and engine power. Property tax is another tax. If you own a house or land, you pay tax based on the value of the property. Companies also need to pay taxes. Corporate tax is the tax collected from the profit a company makes. In other words, as companies make a profit, they pay part of their earnings as tax to the government. The taxes collected are used by the government to fund various services. Healthcare services are one example. Hospitals and salaries for healthcare workers are paid for by the government. Taxes are also used for things like building roads and maintaining public safety. In summary, tax provides money for the government, and this money is used to fund public services. This is essential for maintaining public services and improving the general well-being of society.